Have you been taking care of everyone else and you're feeling depleted? You're giving yourself to other energies, people, family, loved ones. I get it because, especially this time of year, uh, there's more activity in the summertime. And I thought I'd take this opportunity to give you a few tools that I work with for myself and just allowing us to move our energy and release some of that built up, um, sometimes even resentment. So let's just begin. My name is Monica, and this is mindful yoga. And what I usually do is I start sometimes if I notice that, especially like as I said in the summertime, that we need to move our energy and release because there's lots of fire energy. So one of the best things that I love, my clients love, is this nice, easy moving side to side, relaxing the shoulders before we do anything else, before we sit down, before I go into a yoga practice. And this is really nice to activate the lymphatic system. So you sort of kind of gently twist side to side, and let's incorporate the breath, breathing in and out. Nice and easy. Now you can do this outside, which is really nice if you can, at a park, putting your feet on the grass, or you could just appreciate the view and do it inside whenever you need it. Just a little bit longer until you feel that that's enough. Even if you're really tired, this feels great. And take it nice and slow and pause for a moment. And as you allow yourself to feel the energy that's starting to move through the body. And another one I like to do is just opening up the feet a little wider, and we're going to come into you can do this even before exercising and training, but also just to release into the hips. They start off slow, coming into a nice squat, breathing in and out, breathe in and out. And if you want to shake it off, you can do that. That feels good too. Just let it go. Even if you want to bring your head down. Breathe in, out. Inhale through the nose, exhale. Few more. Listen to your body. And take a moment, hold up, and exhale. Let the heartbeat settle. Notice how your energy shifts. Okay, so if you want to take a moment, grab a yoga mat or just sit right on the floor, on the grass. I'm going to sit on the grass today because I'm feeling like I want to just take in, ground my energy, and really absorb where I'm at. And it's good to get a little dirty sometimes with the soil and the air. But it gives you this time, if you can, when you're outside, whether you live in the city or in the country, there's always little parks that you can go to. And I highly recommend that you take that opportunity to take off your shoes, to sit on the grass, put your feet on the ground. And this helps to regulate your nervous system. So coming into a fairly comfortable seated position, cross your legs if that feels right for you. Even if you want to take a bench and place your feet on the grass, that's really nice. And just take a moment to reconnect, remove some of that stagnant energy or built up fire in the body, and just notice where you're feeling It's time now to nourish back yourself as you've been possibly doing so much for your loved ones or for work or for whatever it is. We give a lot. We give a lot, and stage in our life we need to think about nourishing ourselves, coming back to your center. So let's take in a few deep breaths, breathing in through the nose, exhaling out. And if you want, you can place your hand on your heart center and one on your belly, just to really feel that connection. You can keep your eyes open or closed, breathing in through the nose and exhaling out. Feel that beautiful wave of belly breath. Feeling that breeze if you're outside, or a fan on you inside. Maybe setting your intention for what it is that you need for yourself, taking a moment, what is being called for you, why you took a moment to watch this practice. Maybe it's a little nourishment, a little centering and grounding. So continuing to move the energy a little bit more, place your hands on your knees. We're going to do a little bit of this spinal energy warm up and slowly move in one direction. Try to relax into the face, into the shoulders. Loosening up into the base of your spine, lower back. And then slowing it down and come back to your center and pause. And let's move in the opposite direction. Sometimes just a bit of movement to also help your digestive system, helps a lot as well. Once you do that, you do help to regulate your nervous system. And coming back to a pause, settle into your center. Let's take a deep, full breath, breathing in and exhaling out. Inhale through the nose and out. One more, breathe in and out. So let's do a little cat and cow. Placing your hands on your knees, open up the chest, roll the spine back, breathing in, exhaling out. And take your time, go at your own rhythm, move with your breath. Always coming back to the breath. Take a moment as you inhale, open up the front of the body. Maybe hold the breath, you don't have to. You can always continue just to exhale and soften. Let's bring our hands onto our shoulders and roll them back, releasing the weight and tension in the shoulders. I love this final energy warm up because it releases a lot of stuff that we've been doing. Like, let's say if you've been sitting all day, hold a lot of tension in the back and the shoulders. This is a great way to release some of that stiffness, tension, and built up energy. Relaxing into your shoulders, we're going to come into a twist. So taking a breath, breathing in through the nose and exhaling out of the nose or the mouth. You can either blow out of the mouth, breathing in and out. And go at your own pace. Some of us are pretty stiff into the spine, so it's normal to go slow and warm up into it. See if you can drop and relax the shoulders. And coming to center, pause for a moment and release the arms down. Soften into the breath. Bringing your arms by the side. Let's do a nice side body stretch. Take a deep breath. Stretch over to the side. Think about that you're grounding through your base, softening on the side of the body, and then coming back to the belly breath. On your next inhale, rise up. Take your time as you slowly, mindfully feel the blood flow down your arms to your fingertips. Moving to the other side, take a deep breath, breathe in. Exhaling out, softening to the side of the body. Noticing from one side to the other how it feels. Only observing, no judgment. Take a deep breath as you ground down, lift the arm and slowly release, feeling that blood slow down. Great. Shake it off. And let's take the legs out. I'm sure you want to shake them out as well. And loosen up the ankles. We're going to move in. I'm just going to lift up with my knees, move into a little bit of cat and cow onto your hands and knees. So come onto your hands and knees. And we're going to move it, flex, opening up the spine. So breathe in, open up the spine, and exhale, round the back. Inhale, open up, and exhale. Once again, take your time as you slowly expand, open up. There's nothing like a good release, moving opposite directions of the front of the body and the spine. Pause in the center, open up your knees, and we're going to sit back into child pose. You can stack your hands on top of each other, rest your forehead. We're going to stay here for a good minute or so that you can just really come back to yourself. Remind yourself how important it is to nourish the body. Take time for yourself. So let's take a few deep breaths, breathing in, exhaling out. Soften, release in the lower back. Feel that nice softening into the belly breath. Taking your time as you slowly come back up. Come back to sitting. Take a moment to just notice how your energy has shifted. And I really hope that this little moment uh, to release, let go some of the buildup, and then settle your energy, come into the breath. You can stay always as long as you want in each position. And just take this time that you know you can always take a few minutes for yourself, refuel, and get back to you. And that's what I wish for you. So thank you so much for joining this practice. And I invite you to check out the next video that might really do something as you increase movement through the body and always coming back, regulating your nervous system. So I wish you a beautiful, blessed day. Namaste.